Okay, so how do you get to live chat or live support with Siteground's new support request, right? So you go to the question mark here, go to View Help Center, and personally, I kind of like that they've made it a little bit harder for people because it's less wait times. But if you really need to talk to somebody, then you go to Contact Us, then you go all the way down to Other, and then you do Report Other Technical Issues, then you do LMB Productions, then you put in your inquiry, and then you click Submit. And then after you click Submit, I don't want to do that right now because I don't want to like be rude to them because they're gonna. Well, actually, I think yeah. You click Submit. Oop, that's pretty crazy. Okay, so I just kind of did that. And then it's going to give me the option to either do live chat or, how do I point my, and that's even better. I mean, immediate solution that, if it is DNS zone records, they do have really great documentation. So I would encourage you to actually do that because it can, you really can help. But now you're going to get a code. So calling chat, I really think is actually like way cooler and way better. But you can also do just show info and it'll give you like a master code that you can use to call someone, which is fine too. And it is faster in many ways, but the chat is like really great because like you can keep doing what you're doing and they can just help you through chat. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope that helps. Those are the two really, really great options. And I do actually, I use the chat all the time. It's awesome. If I don't have it, if I don't have the answer in the documentation. So I hope that helps. Hopefully you don't change it now that I've kind of shown you an easy path to it. But but it is a little confusing when you first kind of try to really, if you really, really need to talk to somebody. So hope that helps.